Hello, good morning again. This is JBT Giano. Welcome back to biochemistry. Ngayon, meron tayong bibigay ng example dito. Karalan natin ito. Sabi rito, proteins are polymers daw o polar and non-polar amino acid. So, yung structure daw ng protina, ito ay polymer siya that contains non-polar at saka polar. So, pag sinabi natin non-polar at saka polar, we're talking about the positive and negative charges, no? Or number of stable electrons na nag-attract to each other. Parang magnetism, di ba? May North Pole, South Pole. Pagka yung North at saka South, pinagsama mo, magkakaroon ng attraction. Pagka North to North o kaya South to South, hindi sila nag-attract. Nagre-repel, no? So, sabi dito, the amino acid units in a polymer are called residues. Bakit? Kasi daw, because when the peptide bond between the amino acid and the peptide is formed, water is removed in a condensed reaction, leaving the residue of amino acid. So, pagka tinanggal mo pala yung sa amino acids, pag tinanggal mo yung water, galing doon sa polymer, ang residue na, ang matitira, may iwan, is amino acid. Kaya yung amino acid daw, residues that have polar side chain, form hydrogen bonds with water as they are hydrophilic. Yan. Yung residue, yung amino acid residue that have polar side. So may polar side siya, saka non-polar. Okay. Yung polar side daw attracts with hydrogen. Kagaya daw dito sa figure 2-5. Papakita natin. Ito yung figure 2-5. Dito meron kang dalawang atomo ng H2O. Kaya 2H2O. Yung yung amino acid mo na may polar side, ito, na-attract sa oxygen. Okay. At nagkaroon daw ng hydrogen bond. Alam naman natin na yung hydrogen bond represented by this dotted line. Ito. Hydrogen yan. Hydrogen bond. Okay. So, yun yung structure ng polymers or so ang tawag dyan is hydrophilic. Dalawa yan, di ba? Hydrophilic yung tawag sa polar side na nag-attract sa hydrogen o nagpa-participate sa hydrogen bond sa water. Okay. On the other hand, yung non-polar side chain of amino acid residue do not, sabi niya, do not form hydrogen with water. They do not dissolve readily in it. They are said to be hydrophobic. Hydrophobic, ito yung another side. Kasi dalawang side nga, non-polar at saka polar. Itong non-polar, ito yung hindi na di-dissolve sa water. Part to ng bahagi ito ng protina, no? So, Thus, the proteins tend to fold up, nag-fold ito to their hydrophobic residue are clustered in the interior core away from contact with aqueous environment. Kaya kung mapapansin nyo, yung structure ng mantika, yung mantika hindi siya nadidissolve sa water. Kahit anong gawin mo hugas, mantika pa rin didikit sa kamay mo or kahit yung taba, mga same. So, ang tawag dun sa mga yon, hydrophobic. The hydrophilic residue tends to arrange itong dalawa yan, no? Hydrophilic, parang kaibigan niya yung tubig. Yung isa naman hydrophobic, takot siya sa tubig. Hindi siya nag-interact. Okay, so the interaction occur, okay, with proteins and their biomolecules in general. Okay, so ito yung example ng kanilang action-reaction, or shall I say, associations. Okay, with water. Yung water, okay, pag nagdagdag ka ng water, itong carbonyl mo ay maaaring mag-associate sa water yung non-polar, yung polar ay hindi. Okay. Ang tawag sa non-polar ay hydrophobic. Ang tawag sa polar is hydrophilic. So, yan po ang dapat nating tandaan. Ano? Punta tayo sa next slide. The picture. So, ito po yung isang figure para maintindihan natin yung non-polar amino acids, itong dilaw, cluster in the interior of the soluble proteins. Okay, yung dilaw na bilog. Non-polar yon. Yun yung hindi nagpa-participate sa soluble surrounding or aqueous surroundings. Itong pula, amino acids cluster on the surface of the soluble proteins. So, in other words, itong pula, tawag polar yan yung sinasabi nating hydrophilic. Yung dilaw is the hydrophobic. So, dito naman, sa soluble protein to, dito naman tayo titingin sa isa pang halimbawa o picture, membrane protein, na nandyan din yung non-polar amino acid represented by color yellow, cluster on the surface of the membrane proteins. Tapos meron ka rin polar, yung red. So, ganyan po yung itsura niyan. Okay, so thanks. That's all for now. Bye.